Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
I just received this beautiful shredder. This is an automatic shredder. It comes with the USB cable, a brush for easy cleanup. It's dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It also has 3 modes.
The first mode is 120 seconds.
The second mode is 240 seconds. And the third mode is 360 seconds. The longer the time, the finer the meat is shredded. This shredder you can put in turkey, pork, chicken, tuna. You can see it has nicely fined points.
Comes apart easily for cleaning. So before I use it, I'll wash it. So I just got done washing it, so now what I'm going to do is plug it in and charge it up. So I have the back of it plugged in.
So what I'm going to do is add in my cooked meat. I have 2 chicken breasts. I'm just going to cut it up a little bit, make it smaller slices. This is also lightweight. So now I'll show you how it works. So I have my chicken. It's cooked chicken. I cut it into smaller pieces. I'll add my cooked chicken in the center. You want to keep it basically in the center of this. I'll put my lid on. Snap it down. I'll press 1. If for some reason you need to shut this off very quickly, just press any button to shut it off. So now I'll press 1. It also displays how many seconds. This is so simple and easy, my granddaughter could even use it. I love this shredder because it saves you from using the 2-fork system. It's quick and it's easy. It's great if you want chicken salad, tuna salad, turkey salad, pulled pork. And look at how perfect it shreds this meat. Perfect. And I had that on number 1 and that was 120 seconds. So this is how it shreds on 120 seconds. So I'll remove the chicken. Look at how good that looks. I'll show you on different speeds on how this meat shreds. So this was on 120 seconds, which is number 1. So now I'll try number 2. I'll place my chicken, and you want to place it in the center. Now I'll put the top on. It's so simple to use. Press number 2 and it displays how many seconds. So now I'll show you what the chicken looks like on setting number 2. I love this shredder too because it's cordless, easy cleanup, dishwasher safe. This is perfect. This would be ideal for camping. Saves you a lot of time too for cooking at home if you need to shred any type of meat. Now I'll remove the lid. And this was on number 2, so now I'll remove the chicken. Easy to pull out. So now I'll put the rest of my chicken in and I'll try this on number 3. Just place the chicken in the center, pop the lid on, and here is number 1. Number 2, you can see this is more finely shredded. It's amazing how great this shredder works. So quick and easy. Really saves me a lot of work. The best part about this automatic shredder is no cords. I love that. and you can take it anywhere. So all you have to do is prepare whatever type of meat you're using, slice it down to fit into the center, press whatever mode you want, and this electric meat shredder does the job for you. And for any reason, if you need to stop the shredder, just press any button, and it stops. So now I'll open my lid, snaps right off. Easy pull out. And I'll place it in my bowl. Everything falls out so easily. I'll use this brush. Get the rest of the meat out. Look at that, perfect. This was on the first setting. This was on the second. And look at how fine this is. This was on the third setting. And this is 2 chicken breasts. I love this electric meat shredder. I highly recommend it. It's perfect. It's great for camping and home cooking. This is an awesome electric meat shredder. I highly recommend purchasing it on Amazon. Works well. Saves me a lot of time.